Okay, we are going to go further upstairs here. Follow me.
In some ways, it's a 4-story house.
All right, so we turn the light on here, turn this light on here, and if you follow me, we go up, up, up. Push this out of the way. And are you ready? Follow me.
You can stand up.
Yeah, no, there's a walkway, there's a window. So, upstairs, you could see the roof, the rafters, the dormer windows, the piping for the new air conditioning unit. This is the new air conditioning unit over here. Heating and air conditioning, brand new. This is responsible for the second floor of the house, heating and air conditioning. The insulation on the rafters, the dormer windows. The other feature, if we look this way here, the access to the roof is actually out one of these windows here.
Didn't work.
So if you come over to here, you could actually...
Before I kill myself, would you snap a picture of him? Oh, no, you can't. I'm sorry.
You could actually unlatch this window, and it actually latches up here. And if you poke your head out, you could see, let me get this out here. If you poke your head out, you are on the roof. There's the circular plaza down there, and on the roof. Come on over and stick your head out on the roof. Notice the roof, because we have to maintain these shingles too.
Fantastic.
Okay, we'll see how I did.
You can put a flash. Turn the flash on.
Yeah, I can, but we'll see what it looks like.
It's going to be backlit because that light is from the back. You can see the one chimney here that comes up through this is the same one that goes down to the basement here. And the people that we recently had some work done on the chimney. Oh, I'm not mic'd.
It's okay. This is picking it up, hopefully.
The work done on the chimney, some of the bricks were loose with these earthquakes because the chimney rocked a little bit and bricks started to loosen themselves. So we had some major chimney work done of gluing those bricks back in, and he judged it from here down that there was no earthquake damage. But on the roof there was some bricks that started to come out, and so we fixed that. That was a major expense. But this chimney goes up the top and down to the basement.
All right, and of course, the question everyone wants to know, are there any ghosts in the attic?
No.
Okay.